No smartphones, no internet, no time to write a script. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, local radio became a critical source of information across central Luzon. Reporters had to rely on memory, quick thinking, and radio communication to keep the public informed.
Mom says you didn't have
Yes.
the time to write the script and read it.
Oh,
Like
no,
what
no
they're
script.
doing.
Here is one thing. You have to have a good memory. You will not have time to write. So you have to use your mind as a memory recorder to what was happening, to what you were saying.
35 years later, we look back at what it took to report a crisis before the digital age. For the story behind the headlines of the 1991 Mount Pinatubo eruption, watch Sonia P. Soto's full interview with Cecil Yumul on Soto Speak podcast, June 24, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Available on YouTube, Spotify, and the digital platforms of CLTV 36 and Soto Speak.